In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I stay profitable with all types of accounts, live trading, funded trading, and challenges. Everything I use to generate profits from expert advisors. And the answer is the community that we have. If you go to the website of the Trading Academy, you will see the forum. There are over 150,000 users registered on the website. And of course, not all of them are active in the forum, but thousands of people share their experience in the forum. And you can see that we have different forums for live trading results, ready to use robots, strategy builders, brokers. So if you're interested, let's say you're ready to use robots that you want to set and forget, you can read more about many of the experts we use. For example, you can see that there are 486 posts for the top 10 euro-dollar expert advisors, and there are different topics, and all of that is super useful for every trader in the forum, for our team, and for me. We also have hundreds of comments on YouTube, on my channel Petko Alexandrov, on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many more social platforms, where the whole team answers and chat with many algo traders. We put all of that information together so we are aware of everything related to algo trading, which are the most profitable expert advisors, which are the reliable EA vendors, which brokers to use, and we've put all of that for free on our website. If you go to the top, you will see that there is the brokers section. Here you can see the brokers, the regulations, some pros and cons. There are detailed reviews. And for example, if you want to open an account with Black Bull Market, you will see that they offer leverage 1 to 500, many tradable instruments. They offer forex, commodities, equities, indices, metals, different types of platforms, and trading account types. I usually go with the standard, but if I trade any robot with a bigger account, I'll pick the ECN Prime, and I arrange for all of our subscribers and followers to use the institutional account. If you have not $20,000 but $2,000, just chat with their support and tell them about the promo from EA Trading Academy. I'll leave the link down below in the description to Black Bull so you can test the broker with a demo account. But if you're interested in instant funding, you can check which platforms we use. Also, we have reviewed many of the prop firms, and as you know, there is a lot of scam around with the prop firms, and the community helped us a lot to avoid scam prop firms and not to waste money on challenges. We tested many and we saw that these 4 prop firms are reliable. We have requested withdrawals plenty of times, but it is very important to read carefully their terms and conditions so you will not get denied payouts. On top of that, we added the VPS services that are suitable for algorithmic trading, and it is very useful to use a VPS if you cannot keep your computer or laptop open 24/7 and connected to the internet, because this is what it's needed for expert advisors. And you can access all of that information for free. But we didn't stop here. We wanted to build even crazier community, so we launched the VIP Club. This is where we put the best algo traders together, which we couldn't afford to offer for free because of the costs we have to run the servers, the priority support, private and unlisted videos, and most importantly, just for the VIP users, every month we open and fund bigger live accounts, instant funding accounts, and bigger challenges, so we can test multiple expert advisors, and the VIP traders will know whether they should be risking their capital with a certain expert advisor. So far we have 50 members in the Discord group and the number is rising daily. So how do I make money from every trading robot, guys? It's because of you, the community, the subscribers, the followers, which is so powerful for me because I have all of that information and it is very useful for each one of you to be part of such a community. And we will do our best to provide you with free stuff as much as possible, like reviewing free expert advisors that are worth testing. And if you want to see such an expert advisor, check out this video on my side. Until then, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that we love you and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.